Welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. Our today's concept is multiplication. We will learn how to multiply. So when we are talking about multiplication, we are dealing with the multiplication table and we are also practicing our questions. So let's get started. So our first question is 12 times 2. We will first write down 12. For 12, I see a ones digit, that is 2, and a tens digit, that is 1, times 2. So 2 is at ones place, so we will write it underneath the ones digit. So what is 2 times 2? This is how we first multiply. What is 2 times 2? Let's see. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. Then let's go to this side diagonally. What is 2 times 1? 2 times 1 is 2. So hence our answer is 24. We first multiplied straight up and then we start going diagonally depending upon till which digit we have the question. 23 times 2. So 2, 3. 23 times 2. What is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is 6. And what is 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4. So what is 23 times 2? 23 times 2 is 46. 62. 62 times 2. Then again, we will go 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 6 is 12. The answer is ones, tens and 100. So the answer is 124. 72 times 2. Now 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 7 is 14. So if you can read this number by yourself, that's good. If you have any doubt, you can always write here ones, tens and hundreds. So 144. Let's take a look at the next example. 81 times 2. So what is 2 times 1? 2 times 1 is 2. And what is 2 times 8? 2 times 8 is 16. 1, 6, 16. So what is our answer? The answer is 162. Very good. Now this is a special case. Let's take a look at this case. 56 times 2. Now let's take a look. What is 2 times 6? 2 times 6 is 12. We cannot write 12 here. We cannot write 12 like this. It's not possible. So what we will do here is just exactly like addition, the number at the back goes to the bottom and the number in the front goes on to the top of the next number, The word next is very important here. So what is 2 times 5? We know we have to multiply 2 and 5 together. What is 2 times 5? 10. And what is 10 plus 1? 10 plus 1 is 11. So ones, tens and 100. 112 is the answer. 112. Very good job, guys. Let's take one more example where we have regrouping. 89 times 2. What is 2 times 9? 18. So where will the 8 go? 8 will go at the bottom. And where will the 1 go? 1 will go on the top. We will always add the number on the top. Whatever is our carryover, we will add that carryover. We are not supposed to multiply it. We are supposed to add it. Now what is 2 times 8? 2 times 8 is 16. And 16 plus 1 is 17. So what is the answer? 178. Very good. Let's take a look here. This is a triple digit now. So 124. It is not any different. The same concept. We will just keep going forward. What is 2 times 4? 2 times 4 is 8. What is 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4. And what is 2 times 1? 2 times 1 is 2. So what is our answer? Our answer is 248. Look at that, guys. Let's take a look at the last question. This is a triple digit question. Not only triple digit, but also regrouping. So let's see. 2 times 7 is 14. Now 4 will go here and 1 will go on the top of the next number. 2 times 2. What is 2 times 2? 4. So 4 plus 1, 5. And what is 2 times 2 again? 2 times 2 is 4. So what is the answer? The answer is 454. That's your answer. I hope you all understood the concept of multiplication. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see all of you guys super soon. Bye bye.